In a time, before the calculator or the Apple computer, where in order to display your skills in mathematics, you had to remember extremely complex and fancy numbers, display auspicious skills with your abacus, there existed a ratio so perfect and beautiful that men wept to see what it created. Unfortunately, this perfect ratio was lost when warring barbarian tribes swept through ancient Greece. It was lost for several thousand years, until now, where a group of adventurers travels out abroad in an effort to find this golden ratio.
There it is, the Bridge of Death.
Dismount!
And where's our all yet?
That is the keeper of the Bridge of Death. He asks 3 questions, and he who answers these 3 questions may cross in safety.
And why did you get it wrong?
Then you are cast into the gorge of eternal peril.
Then let me go afore ye, my liege. First, I will make a feint to the northeast, and then...
Wait! No, hang on. Just answer the 3 questions best you can, and we shall watch and pray.
I understand, my liege.
Stop! Those who wish to cross the Bridge of Death must answer me these questions 3, ere the other side they see.
Ask me your questions, Bridgekeeper. I am not afraid.
What is your name?
Sir Lancelot of Camelot, Knight of the Round Table.
What is your quest?
To find the golden ratio.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Oh, well, that's good. You may pass.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, yes, you're welcome. Don't forget your free supper at the end. Stop! Those who would cross the Bridge of Death must answer me these questions 3, ere the other side he sees.
How many questions are here? I'm not afraid.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me! Well, here we go anyway. What is your name?
He says his name is Sir Robin of Camelot. He's from Cornwall.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
What is your quest?
He's looking for the golden ratio.
Oh, here's a hard one. What is the derivative of 2x to the 3rd power plus 56x minus 666?
He doesn't know that.
Stop! What is your name?
I am Arthur, King of the Britons.
What is your quest?
I seek the golden ratio.
What is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow?
What do you mean? African or European swallow?
Well, what difference does that make?
Well, you see, when calculating airspeed velocity, you have to find the average velocity. To divine the average velocity, one must divide the change in displacement by the change in time. Now, if you examine a European swallow, you'll find that each beat of the wings propels it forward by 0.22 meters. You'll also find that it beats its wings 9 times per second. Therefore, it is propelled 1.98 meters per second, whereas the African swallow propels itself forward by 0.089 meters with each wing beat. This vivacious bird beats its wings 12 times per second. Therefore, it is propelled at a rate of 1.068 meters per second. It is readily apparent that there is a substantial difference in the airspeed velocity of an African and European swallow.
Wait, What about the speed in airspeed?
Well, speed is really just the absolute value of velocity. That means that speed is simply a measurement of rate of displacement without a direction.
But surely the speed is not so constant.
No, of course not. That is acceleration, which is really just the derivative of velocity. It is quite easy. Acceleration is just the change in velocity over time. A swallow that goes into a nosedive will not be moving at the same rate the entire time.
How does a swallow survive such accelerations?
European African swallow.
I don't know that!
And thus, our adventurers did cross the Bridge of Death and continue along their quest for the golden ratio. However, those adventures will have to be told another time. For the sky darkens and night crawls forth into our simple town. The brave story must be told later on.
But certainly speed isn't so constant. Screwed up.
Bridge, give or take 4.
You shall not pass!
Up. Wrong movie, bro.